Okay, Mr. Phobes here. Um, this is just a quick little tutorial on how we're going to export these for your journal. Um, so what we're going to do is we're going to go File and we're going to go Export for Screens. And what that's going to do is it's going to compress it into a small enough file that'll uh, be good for Blackboard. So what we're going to do is go select Range 1 through 2. And then you're going to select where to export it to. I've got it at the desktop. You just can go to the little folder and you can choose wherever you want to place it. I've selected the desktop, choose, and then if create subfolders is selected, deselect it, and then the type of file, the format is a JPEG 100. So come down and select JPEG 100. All right. So everything should be set. I've got open location after export, and that'll just take you directly to wherever you've saved it, which should be the desktop, and you can make sure that it's there. I've already saved this once, so we're going to get a little dialog message that says replace it. So I'll go and I'll say just replace, and it opens it up, and there they are right there. Okay, now let's look at how we're going to then put them into the journal. So if I go to Blackboard, you'll see that I've opened up the journal. It's called the Final Cultural of Symmetry. So just select that. And you're going to see that I've got instructions on how to do this. After I finish this video, it will be placed up here as a link. So it should look like this. We should see both your radial and your tile pattern. And it's just like, so you won't see all of this stuff. I just wanted to remind everybody that there is a reflection that's part of this. So 200 words plus or minus, what was your challenge? Not only what was challenging, but how you challenge yourself to go beyond a simplistic, easy solution, and then a final outcome, an honest self-critique of the project. Not what was wrong, but what you learned from both the process as well as the research about your object and objects. From the Mingei or from the your own heirlooms, those kinds of things. So the process of putting these in here is just like we've done. You create a new journal entry, and call it final symmetry, and then select your object, and you would go to artboard number 1, which is your radial. Go to appearance. Might take a minute to load. It's going to come in, I believe it's 792. Let's change it to 500 as the width. Make sure you select outside, and then let's give it a border of about 2. Insert. Okay, make sure it's center justified. All right, and then right below it, just call it radial solution. And then just hit the enter key, and then let's post the second artboard. So this would be the tile. Go to appearance. It'll take a minute. And then 500. Click outside. 2. Insert. Okay, so it should be in the center. And then just come down here, and then what you want to do is select far enough below, and then hit left justified, and then start answering your questions. So that's all there is to it, and then just hit post entry, and you're done. The due date for this is Thursday the 22nd at 11:58 p.m. That's it.